friend with me today, Mr. Brian.
Hey everyone.
Mr. Brian has planted over 1,000 trees. Isn't that awesome? Wow, and we're so lucky to have him here today. He's gonna teach us how to make these really cool fairy wands. And Mr. Brian, can you show them the cool stick people that we're gonna make?
Of course, Miss G.
Whoa, they're so cool. And you'll get to meet these little guys in a sec.
Wow, these strawberries look so good. Ziggy? Oh, hey, man.
You said strawberries? What strawberries? I love strawberries.
These strawberries are back here. They're so good. Hey, Ziggy,
Yeah. What's up, River?
I had a really cool joke that I just learned. You want to hear it?
Yeah, I'm listening.
Okay. What is a tree's favorite subject in school? No?
I don't know.
Geometry. No?
Ah,
Okay. I got a second one. What about, what tree loves to give high fives?
I don't know.
A palm tree. Oh,
That was a good one.
yeah.
But, Mr. Brian,
What's up?
would it be okay if I tested out my fairy wand on you?
Yeah, no.
Come on, the kids would love it. Come on, what do you say? Come on, Mr. Brian, do it for the kids.
Alright.
Okay, ready? Blikara sharam. Are you in there? Oh my gosh, boys and girls, I think we turned Mr. Brian into a rabbit. Oh, Mr. Brian, you're so cute. It worked! Wow, but you know, Mr. Brian does a lot of good work for our planet, planting all those trees, so I think we should bring him back. Oh. Don't worry, Mr. Brian, we'll bring you back. Here we go. Oh gosh, I hope it works. Blikala sharing. Ha!
Carrots?
Oh, thank you. He's back, boys and girls.
Hey, Miss
Sorry,
G.
you're a rabbit, but thank goodness we have you back. All right, well,
Yeah.
looks like these wands, you got to be careful with them.
Please be careful.
Yeah, well, let's jump into it. I want to show you guys how you can make your very own fairy wand. When you come to Harding School, you can pick your own wand, these magical sticks, and decorate them with ribbons or yarn or beads or all three of them and make them look as cool as you want, and you can practice your spells. And then we're also going to teach you how to make our stick friends. All right. First off, you're going to start with your paper brown bag that you'll pick up at the school garden. Inside, you're going to find a couple things that'll help you make your fairy wand and your stick person. First thing is this bag of beads. This bag of beads has buttons, different types of beads, and even your googly eyes for your stick person. All right, let's take a look at what else is inside of our bag. We also have some really nice fabric, different types, all from Art from Scrap that was donated. All right, let's see what else is in there. Different types of yarn, ribbon, and string. This will be to decorate your fairy wand. And last but not least, each bag will come with your very own stick. This is your stick to decorate and turn into a stick person. But don't feel that you need to use this very own stick. You can go outside and find your own. So a couple more things that you're gonna need will be some cloth glue or fabric glue. I use this Elmer's tacky glue. I picked it up at Target and it was only $2. You will also need some scissors. Perfect. Now we're ready to make our stick people. Let's jump right in. A good tip for cutting out a nice shirt for your stick person is to outline the shirt onto your fabric before cutting it out. Wow, so fast. Last part is to add on some googly eyes. Ah, he went with the Cyclops look. If cutting out the fabric is a little bit difficult for you, then you can just grab a piece of paper and a marker or pencil and design your own outfit for your stick person. So you can make them a little shirt, or you can make them a dress or a skirt or even a cape. So here I'm making a little shirt. And you just cut it out. And even while before you cut it out, you could even color it using some crayons or markers that you have at home. You can make a little dress. This one. Some pants. Or just a basic shirt. Looks like we have two really good Cyclops friends now. And remember, you can make them with paper clothing or the fabric clothing that I provided you with. I'll show you some other examples of other stick people that we made. This is Super Stick. He's the superhero. I gave him a cape and a t-shirt with the letter S for Super Stick. Super Stick also has a sidekick, Peggy, the stick horse. I gave her some cool wings and googly eyes. You can also collect leaves from outside and use them as the clothes for your stick people. You can even make full nature people by only using stuff out of nature. Using the leaves, I gave the stick person some pants, and using a lamb's ear leaf, I gave him a nice fuzzy belt, and I used paper to give him a shirt. Another cool one would be, I cut this leaf up and gave it some fringe. Kind of make like a Hawaiian skirt. Now I can go outside and collect some flower petals to give her like maybe a bikini. She's a Hawaiian stick person. You guys can get as creative as you want. I hope you enjoy making your own stick person. What I'm going to start off by doing is I'm just going to make a simple knot at the end of my stick. And then I'm going to take the end of my stick and start wrapping the yarn around.
You can decorate it however you wish.
I'm going to just bring it back down the opposite direction. And then I'm going to tie it back off with that last ending piece and snap off that excess yarn. I want to add some ribbon at the end of my magic wand. Remember, to do a knot, all you have to do is take two sides, cross them over, and put it inside the loop and pull. And we're going to do that one more time. So we're going to cross over the ribbon. See the X right there? and bring the outside inside the loop and pull. It's gonna take a while, but you're gonna wrap close together. I like to hold the yarn and just twist and twist and twist.
Remember, all I'm doing is holding the stick with one hand on the yarn with the other, and I'm twisting the stick as I wrap the yarn around the wand. Okay, I think we're right about there. I'm going to start adding some beads. So I'm going to cut my yarn off. And pick the beads that I want to use. I think I'm going to use these yellow ones. So I'm going to slide a bead in, and then I'm going to wrap around it. So to hold that bead in place. I think I want to add another bead. So I'm going to grab my yarn, find the tip, grab my bead, and sometimes it's a little difficult. So there we go. Okay, I'm going to slide my bead through. And just as before, I'm going to lock it in.
And it looks like I ran out of yarn, so I'm just gonna grab some more orange yarn and tie it on so I could continue with my pattern. But if you'd like, you can also switch colors and make it into a rainbow wand. Okay, and at the very end, I'm just gonna take some tacky glue and glue it all together. You like it, Boo? There you have it, boys and girls, how to make your very own stick fairy wand. Bye! Oh!
Here's my friend.
This is serious.
There's eyeballs in there. Oh, eyeballs, googly eyes.